Another thing that just struck me that we should discuss, and I'd like to ping the engineers on this, but I just want to know for our show.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing that I'm assuming all of these video sources are simultaneous. So that's important in a lot of scenarios. Obviously, NDI and all the IP streams will be available at any time, even if you're using SDI, HDMI.
Jeff's asking, could you use both over SDI?
No. So all the USB, SDI, HDMI, those are like the hard ones. We call them hard outputs, HDMI, SDI, USB. Those will do the 20x optical lens.
Mm-hmm.
It's the IP connectivity, which will be available via NDI or RTSP. Those are available with both.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah. But I'm assuming that if you really needed to, you could use USB for a web conference, SDI for a lecture capture, and HDMI for a conference monitor, and NDI all the same I believe that would be okay. And you could record to the SD card.
Yeah, while powering over Ethernet as well. So
while powering
use every port.
And control it over serial with a serial joystick. And connect it to the SuperJoy while you're at it. But really, I believe you can do all of that. I'd like an engineer to tell me no, but I think that, yes, you can do that. Now let's talk about